Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to create and post 3D photos on Facebook. First, open Facebook. Once on the app, you are going to tap right where you see what's on your mind. And from here, you are going to tap on Photos. Then you will select the photo that you want to post. And you are going to tap on Done in the top right hand corner. After doing that, right below Edit in the left hand corner, you are going to see the option 3D Make 3D. You are going to tap on that and you can see that it is creating a 3D photo. Now if you should tilt your phone, you can see that the photo is moving, as you can see right here. Then you'll simply tap on Post and that's it. So that's how to create and post a 3D photo on Facebook.